Hello and welcome back to Valentine's Culinary School. As we continue our series on pots and pans, today we look at Revereware. This is some nice traditional Revereware set, and I would say that looks like it's about probably 12 gauge stainless steel, fairly high quality. It is a fairly thin gauge, and I haven't tested it out on the induction burner, so I don't know if it works on it, but I would bet not. It's probably too high quality because the higher quality stainless steels don't have enough ferrous content to work for induction. These have these lovely brass handles. The great thing about brass handles are they're naturally antimicrobial. It's really a shame we've moved away from brass handles and brass doorknobs because they have a lot of advantages when it comes to just general health. We've gone towards stainless steel doorknobs, for example, just because architects like the way they look better, but they're actually not nearly as good when it comes to killing off any microbes that happen to be on people's hands. So overall, for health, brass and bronze is much superior. Now these are a really pretty set. I can't say that I've used them much, but if you can find something like this for a deal at a thrift shop, I would go for it. Granted, it's not my preference because I much prefer either the laminated cookware or traditional cast iron, but at least you can't go wrong with it. It's not going to add anything to your food the way say a non-stick pan would, or it's not going to be any toxic metal additions the way an aluminum pan would be. So you don't have to worry about that. You can scrub it away to your heart's content, and it's not going to give you early onset Alzheimer's. Other than that, same thing applies to these as to just about any other pan. Treat it well, heat it up slowly, don't get it hot too fast, add the oils later after the pan is hot, and yeah, have fun. That's the most important thing. May you be well and eat well. May you like, comment, share, and subscribe. May you be blessed. May you be filled with unconditional love for all beings. I'll see you in another video. I'm Valentine. Aloha.